being able to be our true selves is something I never thought I'd find. But with you, it always feels completely natural.
Being with you has revealed that unconditional love is something that should be freely given and not anything that should be asked for.
Their story began at OU, amidst the hum of engines and the challenge of mastering the skies in Gary Medina's instrument flying course. Little did they know then that they were also charting a course towards each other.
To show you how to believe.
It took a few years and a bit of liquid courage from Morgan to ask Nicholas out, but once their paths aligned, they soared to new heights together. Morgan found in Nicholas a safe place to land, while Nicholas discovered in Morgan a partner who was always up for life's adventures.
All my dreams come alive in the nick of time. All these dreams, all I need to show you how to believe.
Oh, suck, girl?
Hi.
Look at you.
You're cute.
Beautiful.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's good.
You like the boot?
You got clean show. Oh, is that not good?
I said you're all good. That's my thing.
No, it looks gorgeous.
You like it?
I do. It looks so good. You look so good.
So do you.
Thank you.
All right, let's do it.
Love you. Sitting here today, I want to share what makes our connection so incredible. We never feel the need to do things separately, except for Pilates, which you can keep being your own thing. You keep me in check when my overthinking mind starts to take over and remind me to approach life with more balance and humor. Seeing the way you care for your good friends is inspiring. It's a testament to the kind of person you are. Loyal, compassionate, and truly present. And even in the simplest moments, like when you pick up Serge's poop during our walks because I gag every time, you show me that every little bit of care counts. You're the best friend and partner in crime, and it's in these everyday moments that I see how much our lives are intertwined and enriched by one another's strengths and quirks.
Looking ahead, I embrace our future with excitement and deep gratitude, knowing that every day holds the promise of love, laughter, and growth. I look forward to nurturing our friendship with the same dedication you show to those you love. Let's build our future with kindness, compassion, and the kind of friendship that makes every day feel like home.
Their relationship is unique because they truly understand and support each other in ways few others can. Through deployments and the unpredictable nature of their careers, Morgan and Nicholas have proven time and time again that they are a formidable team, always coming out on top. Today, we celebrate not just their love, but their incredible partnership that they have built. A partnership that, much like their flights together, is boundless and full of promise.
Today, I promise to love you unconditionally, even more than Taylor Swift, reminding you every single day that you are my first priority.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
We done did it. Seriously, just want to say a big thank you to all of you. It's not easy to get out here. So anything from buying airline tickets, hopefully on United, we couldn't be more thankful for all of you. So I'd like to raise a glass to you guys and just say, Prost. Cheers.